Hello community members, this is Shruti from the GetSetUp team and welcome to a brand new GetSetUp app. As once you have downloaded our new app from the link mentioned below, make sure to delete the older version of the app. So once you have downloaded, something like this will appear on your screen. As you can see, you have two options from using your mobile phone number. One is you can log in from your WhatsApp number, and the second is using your mobile number along with OTP. So let's start by using our WhatsApp number. Once you click on login with WhatsApp, try to enter your phone number here. Once you type your phone number, you can click on continue, or you can click on continue on WhatsApp and select the WhatsApp number. Once you do that, you forward this message and you'll get the approval link. Click on approve. And you get an option where you can enter your code. If you don't have code, you can just skip this option. You can enter your code there, or you can just skip the option. Another option is using your mobile and OTP number. So click on there and you can, as mentioned above, enter your passcode, or you can skip. So then you can enter your required phone number. Then click submit. Once done, you'll receive a registered call for OTP, and you can enter your OTP number there and verify. So once you have logged in, this is your home page you'll land onto, and from here you can access all our upcoming articles, classes, events, trips. If you are interested in joining in our live classes, click on classes. As you can see, the first option here is live classes. So all the classes scheduled for today and upcoming week are entered here. So you can click on the join option. For example, here Yoga of Dr. Divya, you can click at join option here at the time only the session starts, like for this case 9 a.m. As you go down, you can see all our recorded sessions are bifurcated as per topics like meditation, dance, music, health, wellness, cooking and more. To watch the recorded versions of these sessions, click on the watch option here and you'll be redirected to the session. To read our new articles, click on articles there and you can access to all our latest articles. And to read the article, you can click here and you can read it at your own pace. You can also enter our WhatsApp group communities from here. For example, if you're interested in joining our writers community, you can click on writers there and you'll be redirected to our writers community. Trips. So you can explore our upcoming trips here. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, you can contact our support number given below.